Hello everyone, welcome to Homemade. Do you know the first and the most frequently asked question by every PG aspirant before starting their preparation is which book should I study to score higher in AIA PGET? So today we will be discussing with you on this topic and will tell you which are the best books for preparation of homeopathy entrance exams. Here is a short review of most important books for preparation of AIA PGET. We will divide this video in three parts. First, about basic books. Second, entrance books of homeopathy. And third, about allied books. So let's start. Firstly, we should be well versed with our basic books, which we neglect most of the time. As you must be knowing that pattern of AIA PGET and most other homeopathic entrance exam comprises of 50% questions from homeopathy subjects and remaining 50% from allied subjects. So we must study the basic books or textbooks for homeopathy subjects. We should read textbooks like Allen's and Boric for Materia Medica, S.K. Tiwari or Khanaj for repertory, Mandal and Mandal or D.D. Banerjee for pharmacy and Dajian for organon because new questions are always asked from these subjects. Now after textbooks of homeopathy, allied books starting from B.D. Chaurasi of anatomy to Harrison of practice of medicine all are important, but we can't revise them all now. So you should read only important topics from them or you should use them all for reference only. Now let's come to entrance books. We will see first all the top rated books followed by subject wise books. So the first book is Turning Point by Dr. Alok Mishra and Dr. Praveen Kumar Kesarwani. It has study material of various topics of homeopathy and allied sciences which is followed by MCQs on it. Memory based questions of MD Home examinations conducted by West Bengal University which is not available in any other book. Previous papers of various examinations with detailed explanation is there. Every question is followed by its explanation giving exact reference including edition, year and page number of the source book. After explaining the answer, additional information regarding any other related topic or about other three choices as to why they are not correct is also provided. It is available in an second and last edition and the latest edition has come in 2020. It is available on ipps.com. Second book is Success, a guide on homeopathy for competitive exams. It is written by Naveen Kumar Singh, Ratna Chandrasheel, Nikhil Kumar Biswai. It is available in 3 volumes. Contents of each volume, volume 1. First is Materia Medica, Organon, Pharmacy and Repertory, which includes solved papers of WBUHS and Delhi. Volume 2 contains Anatomy, Physiology including Biochemistry, FSM and PSM. Solved papers of MD entrance of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka and also UPSC. Volume 3 contains medicine including pathology, surgery, gynae-ops and solved papers of AIA PGT, CCRH and AIMS. Key features of this book are study material of homeopathy as well as allied subject is there. MCQs are given on each subject. Solved papers of previous examinations with detailed explanations is given. Brief discussion of the related topic in the solved paper is there. It is in second and last edition and is also published in 2020, the latest edition. The next book is Kaizen, Continuous Improvement by Dr. Gajendra Kumar Singh. Key features of this book is study material under heading Read and Digest for rapid revision. Concise explanation of every question is there. Questions divided into topic wise category. Tables, flowchart and mnemonics are given for easy retention. Questions from different exams like MD entrance, UPSC and many other PSCs are also there. Latest questions of papers of AIA PGT 2018, 2017 etc. are also available in this book. Valuable information related to the topic is also mentioned. Its latest edition is 3rd edition and was published in 2018. Now another book is Solve Multiple Choice Questions, UPSC and MD entrance exams, homeopathy by Dr. V.K. Chauhan. This book has few key features like all 12 subjects of homeopathy are covered including anatomy, physiology, pharmacy, materia medica, organon, pathology, community medicine, forensic medicine, surgery, gynae and ops, practice of medicine and repertory. With detailed explanation of all answers, guidelines of preparations of examinations is also there and there is an additional chapter for preparation of interviews. The latest edition, the first 2 volumes are in 3rd edition and the 3rd volume is in its 1st edition only. The latest edition has come in 2017. Now the next book is Homeopathy MCQ by Jana and Rath. Key features of this book are study material and MCQs in Organon of Medicine, Homeopathic Pharmacy, Homeopathic Repertory, and Materia Medica are there. Each subject is divided into several chapters system-wise that enables the students to memorize the content easily. The latest edition is third revised and enlarged edition. Year is 2010, in which revised edition was published. It is available at Dynamic Homeo Center, Bhubaneswar. Now let's talk about subject-wise books. For Materia Medica only, you can refer to Crack the Entrance, a preparatory manual for MCQ exams in homeopathy, Materia Medica by Dr. Anil K and Dr. Jitesh TK. Second book is Exhaustive MCQs on Materia Medica by Dr. A.K. Rothroy and Dr. Shyam Sundar Panda. Third book is MCQs in Homeopathic Materia Medica by Dr. Rajesh M. Patni. For Organon only, Solved Questions on Organon of Medicine by Dr. Ishwara Das. For Repertory only, Gems of MCQs in Repertory by Dr. J.D. Patil. Homeopathy MCQs only, The Target PG, Essential MCQs of all homeopathic subjects by Dr. J.D. Patil. Second book is Objective Type Question and Answers in Materia Medica, Repertory, Pharmacy and Organon by for UPSC, PSC, BHMS and MD examinations by Dr. Nihanjan Mohanty. 4000 MCQs in Homeopathy for UPSC, PSC and MD entrance examination by Dr. Manoj Kumar Singh. Now, for allied subjects, there are many books. You can choose one of the books from these. Review of Postgraduate Entrance Exams by Dr. Arvind Arora, Amit Tripathi, Ashish Gupta. Second book is New Across, a complete review of short subjects by Dr. Shukla Soumya. Third is SARP series. Fourth is Roms by V.D. Agarwal and Ritu Agarwal. Fourth book is Sure Success by Dr. B. Ram Gopal. Medicine, you can read it from Dr. Mudit Khanna's book. Obs and Gynae, you can refer to Dr. Sakshi Arora's book. For surgery, you can select Dr. Pritesh Singh's book. And for PSM, you can refer to Dr. Vivek Jain book. So these are few specific books for each subject. But for overall, you can refer to either AAA, that is Arvind Arora, Amit Tripathi and Ashish Gupta, or Shukla Soumya or SARP series. So finally, the question arises that should you buy all these books? The answer is no. You can buy combination of few books. For example, you can buy overall homeopathic books like Turning Point or Success, etc. and if required, subject-wise book of a concerned subject to strengthen that. For allied subjects, you can buy any one book but go through it thoroughly, preferably AAA or New Across. Hope now you can decide which book you need to score well in these exams. Please note that in this video, I am not promoting any book, and if you still have any queries or problem in selecting the book, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.